Are you struggling to shed stubborn belly fat? I was too, until I decided to take control and transform my life with a dedicated 7-day routine. Here's how I did it and how you can too. I spent my mornings and evenings focusing on targeted belly fat burning exercises. Each day began with a series of intense workouts designed to target the core, crunches, leg raises, and bicycle kicks. I combined these with high-intensity interval training height sessions to keep my metabolism fired up. I built a routine that balanced these workouts with healthy eating and plenty of hydration. I made sure to incorporate fresh juices and smoothies to stay energized and to avoid junk food. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. I got through some challenging days, battling both physical exhaustion and the temptation to skip my routines. However, the progress I saw was undeniable. My belly began to shrink, and my energy levels soared. Not only did my body change, but my mindset did too. I felt empowered and motivated, ready to tackle each new day with confidence. I saved time and avoided frustration by tracking my progress diligently. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. My results were remarkable. I noticed a significant reduction in belly fat, improved muscle tone, and a boost in overall health. The mental clarity and satisfaction I gained were just as transformative. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. Embarking on this journey changed my life. Consistency was key, and tracking my progress helped me stay motivated. You can achieve the same success by committing to a consistent routine and monitoring your improvements. Start today, and you'll be amazed at the results you can achieve in just 1 week. Ready to transform your life? Dive into your own belly fat burning journey and embrace the change.